Hey guys, there are few days left for the Galaxy Unpacked event that will bring the next generation foldables. And while we think rumored have painted a complete picture of the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G, Samsung's premier phone for 2021, especially given the absence of a new Note. As we have heard many times in the past, the new foldable will support the S Pen. Additional screen details and more are now reported by WinFuture. Today we're gonna talk about the all specification of the Galaxy Z Fold3. The new Fold will have two Dynamic AMOLED 2x displays, both maxing out at 120Hz refresh rate and smoothly adjusting to lower rates. The external display will have a 6.2 inches screen. Protection will be guided by a Gorilla Glass Victus. There will be a standard 10 megapixel selfie camera punch hole into the display. The internal screen will have a 7.6 inches screen and the both display have over 370 ppi pixel density. This panel will have Samsung's first under display camera, which is all hype about, which will have 4 megapixel resolution with 2.0 nanometer pixels, but it is still not confirmed. Moving on to the other sets of cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold3 will maintain the triple 12 megapixel setup of its predecessor almost unchanged. The main module will have Optical Image Stabilization. The sensor will have smaller pixel, though 1.4 nanometers. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 Non-Plus chipset, with no Exynos version mentioned by the rumored specs. Like last year, the chipset will be paired with the 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of storage non-expandable. Samsung also has worked to slim down the phone. Both foldable phones will be the first to have the IP-X8 rating. Also, Samsung has apparently tested the Z Fold3 to 2 lakh open-close cycles. That is the same as 5 years of opening the phone 100 times a day. And the battery capacity is a 4400 mAh with 25 watt fast charging along with the wireless charging. For the connectivity, the phone will have 5G modem and will feature an eSIM in addition to the regular SIM. As before, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 will be supported, along with NFC. UWB is not mentioned in the rumored specs, but we can't imagine it will be missing. A few additional things to mention are a side-mounted fingerprint reader and the stereo speakers. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G will start at $2,234 and 1900 euros in Europe. And this is expected to become available in late August. Fans will be able to pick up from 3 phantom colors: green, black and silver. Are you excited about this phone? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.